Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. Back at you with another crazy banger, man. You know, I love this shoe community, man. Do it for the sneakerheads like you. And if you do like me and you like the content, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell right now so you always stay up to date on the new coming heat coming from your boy Al Wu with the shoe. Like I said, subscribe. Play with that algorithm. I need y'all to just get locked in and tuned in with your boy. But today, what we're gonna be doing is giving y'all some upcoming sneakers, some heat. You know what I mean? It's been a few days. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. No, I'm just playing, man. I wanted to try to do this every other week or every week so I can tell y'all what heat's coming so y'all can get y'all pockets and wallets, ready. Apparently, had them debit cards dropped. But yes, I definitely know today is a day of dropping shoes. It's not that much, so it's not many shoes dropping. But I want to start off with the Bad Bunny Last Campus. These boys right here is okay. I'm not saying that they're like fire. Once again, I'm not saying they're trash. They're just mid. I wouldn't be out here running to go flock after them. After all, they're kind of basic, but it's Bad Bunny. So hype. Any type of celebrity, big entertainer collab, like I said, you see the throw a little smiley face on these. And it was a fragment Jordan 1, so it was always Grail. But Bad Bunny doing Adidas thing. Once again, the Last Campus is going to be dropping today, and it's already out for $160. For the price point, it's not bad. I probably wouldn't copy it. Like I said, that's a no for me. Then also, we got the Anti-Kai ones, the Mother's Day specials. That has also dropped today. Go get it for your mom. Leave something sentimental for your mother. Something for the ladies. If you really want to try to have a Mother's Day gift that, you give the sneakerhead woman in your life, or, just want to be a good gift giver, they $125. Decent price range for the colorway, the material on it. It's not a bad shoe. I say it's pretty all right. You know what I mean? That's why today isn't the best day for drops, especially after the craze with the Jumpman Jacks, University Reds, and how very limited people was able to get those. It reminded me of these Travis Scott fragment ones. It was very hard to get these. It's very hard, just like those are. But these shoes I'm talking about today to drop, they basically probably going to be still sitting in outlets. You can walk in retail stores, go grab them right now. Like I said, those bad boys, it's $125. Not that bad. They're all right. The next shoe that I want to speak on is the Nike Dunks. Now these, everybody is off the Nike Dunk wave. People still love Pandas. So you got the ones in the middle, and that's why I think they came with these Joker. It's like a colorway that's geared towards a woman. It's a woman's shoe. We're keeping it with the woman theme, man. Like I said, all last month and the month before that, leading up to Women's Month and appreciation of women's history, they've been giving these dope women releases. Even if you look at the Jordan brand, they got those Chanel green Jordan 3s is going to be dropping. I looked at all of the other Dunks that has came out. The past few months, they've been doing dope collabs for the women. That's sweet. By the women. Dope. I think that this is just another kind of a Mother's Day special, Mother's Day themed shoe. Those will be dropping May the 13th, man. Go get it for your mom. They only $115. It's cheaper than the Anti-Kai ones that I just said in the previous slide. So get these Dunks, man. These Dunks is pretty decent because they look better than the Pandas. Better alternative, I tell you that. Be fresher and crispier, man. Yes. Now, the next one that I want to do is a shoe that I'm not too familiar with, and the designer, I don't know. Jewel Lloyd. So apparently they did a collab. It's the Nike Jewel Lloyd GT Cut 3. I think the shoe in itself, the GT series, is pretty decent for performance. When you go out styling, I think they're gonna look pretty decent too as well. You know what I mean? They look a little bit better than the Kobe's or the KD's on foot, and they athletic shoe. So go grab them. Like I said, once again, it goes with the woman edition. These are a little pricey now. They are a little pricey. For $190, they dropping. I think that it's a woman's shoe, so if you want to go out, go grab it, go get it. It'll be coming out May 14th, man. Be on the lookout for those. All right, and the last, and the holy grail to me. This is a performance athletic shoe, but I'm looking to try to figure out how I can style it. It's the Victor Wembanyama GT Hustle Tools. His very first signature shoe. I mean, it's the alien. I mean, come on, the guy is a freak of nature. He's like the only rookie who had like a rookie campaign good enough to be in the discussion for Defensive Player of the Year. And if he had a better record, I'm quite sure he probably would have been in MVP discussion. But these colorway is sweet. I like that translucent green, and it glows in the dark at the bottom, man. So these GT Hustle Victor Wembanyama's alien shoes, his first signature shoe, Nike did their thing. Those will be dropping for $170 for that retail price, and that color blocking and that actual stylish shoe is dope, man. I'm looking forward to it. May 15th, I'm going to try to personally cop those out of all the shoes that I just named. What about you? Tell me what shoe you looking forward to the most out of this lineup. Which one you going to be going for? Like I said, a few dropped today, so go run to the stores, go grab them. It's Al Wu with the shoe. I'm leaving out and signing out on a high note. Stay fresh, stay clean, y'all. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.